Yes. Grandma has Roomba too.
Oh, the car has a Roomba too. The Joep.
It has two Roomba.
Yes, I see that. Just the silliest.
It's on me.
You still crawl that way. Been crawling that way since you were a baby when you learned how to crawl. I'll have to admit, you do go faster, I believe.
See?
You crashed on the Roomba again, on the little vacuum?
Yes. It's super black.
Yes, it is. It's got fingerprints and stuff all over it.
Yes. And now it's dirty. See? I won't turn on it.
No, we can do that this afternoon.
That's my name.
Yes. Whole bunch of crumbs in my room again, even though we just cleaned today.
Yes. It got blue cat food. It made it.
He likes being on the videos, but sometimes he gets shy. Let me set a timer so he can play by himself, or timer that we can play. There's about a minute left, but we'll add probably 2 minutes after that. I think I put it away. You are a busybody. You always want to do the same thing with the video. Is it on the couch? Oh no, here it's on the, right by the light. The timer's gonna beep soon. But we'll play for a couple minutes after that. Then I'm gonna do a workout. He does go really fast, though. I don't know how he doesn't get dizzy. I sure can't figure it out, even if the kitchen would come out bigger.